With inflation running rampant and economic uncertainty on the rise, securing your financial future has never been more important. If you're concerned about how inflation is eroding your savings or how to protect your wealth from economic volatility, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies for securing your financial future, even in an inflationary economy. And stick around until the end for a free guide that could change how you approach wealth protection. Now let's dive into it. Inflation can eat away at the purchasing power of your savings, leaving you with less and less as time goes on. If you're planning for retirement, that means your nest egg may not go as far as you thought. But there are ways to protect yourself from this threat, and one of the most powerful tools to do so is a gold IRA. It's a strategy that thousands of Americans are turning to in order to preserve their wealth, and it could be the answer for you as well. Before we dive deeper into gold IRAs, let's talk about a few other ways people attempt to hedge against inflation. Some consider stocks, bonds, or real estate as options. But here's the problem. While these can provide growth, they come with risks that often correlate with inflation. Stocks may go up, but they can also take a hit during an economic downturn. Bonds? Well, their returns are typically lower than inflation, so your money still isn't working for you in the long term. And then there's real estate, which is generally seen as a good hedge against inflation, but it's not without its challenges. Property prices can fluctuate, and even though they tend to rise over time, managing real estate can be time-consuming, expensive, and not as liquid as you might like. In contrast, gold IRAs offer a tangible asset with a proven track record of holding value, even during economic upheaval. That's why more and more retirees are switching to this strategy for long-term wealth protection. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description. We've put together a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs. It's designed to help you understand how gold IRAs work and why they're such a popular choice among those who want to safeguard their retirement savings from inflation. Let's get back to why gold IRAs stand out. Gold has been a safe haven asset for centuries, and it tends to perform well when the economy faces downturns. During times of inflation, when the value of paper currencies is losing its purchasing power, gold has historically held its value. Plus, with a gold IRA, you're not just investing in physical gold, you're gaining the ability to diversify your retirement portfolio with a precious metal that can serve as a hedge against both inflation and market volatility. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of American retirees are already making the switch to gold IRAs. Whether you have $100K or $5 million in savings, this could be the best way for you to protect what you've worked so hard to build. Now, let's talk about the long-term benefits of a gold IRA. As you approach retirement, the last thing you want is to see your savings get wiped out by inflation or a market crash. With a gold IRA, your retirement savings are secured by a tangible asset that will continue to appreciate over time. Plus, there are tax advantages that make it an even smarter move. By transferring your IRA or 401k funds into a gold IRA, you can benefit from tax-deferred growth and avoid the penalties typically associated with withdrawing funds from other types of retirement accounts. The beauty of a gold IRA is its flexibility and security. It's an investment strategy that works well for those looking to preserve their wealth for the long term, whether you're in your 50s or nearing retirement. If you're serious about securing your financial future and protecting your wealth from inflation, gold IRAs offer a straightforward and reliable solution. Before we wrap up, make sure you click that first link in the description if you're ready to take the next step in securing your financial future. The free guide is perfect for retirees who have $100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings. This could be the most important financial decision you'll make this year. Thanks for watching, and remember, securing your financial future in an inflationary economy starts with taking action now.